Y'all get some of this. But anyway, you see me. Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Minalicious back with the delicious video. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, let's dig in. I'm gonna be answering some questions that I got offline, like about me, you know. And I'm gonna be eating too. And today we have this with us. This smart food. Get your popcorn though. My name is Amina. I am 21 years old. Number 2 question is, what is your YouTube channel about? My YouTube channel is about me doing some delicious makeup videos. Right now I'm just putting foundation on my face. I'm using this brush. You will see a lot of makeup looks, food related makeup. Homegirl, stay eating. Next question is, how did you get into makeup? I see my sister do it. My older sister always used to do her makeup. Homegirl would wake up like every day doing her makeup. I'm just like, what's the hype about? So this one day I tried it. I like how my eyelashes were popping out. I'm like, okay, I can do this. I'm just combing out my brows right now. We're gonna go and do my eyebrows. Got this angel brush. Following my eyebrows. That's how it is. From here to here. People be thinking you doing makeup for a guy or something. Like, no. It's for me, honey. Girls don't be doing makeup for a guy. Girls do their makeup because another girl is gonna comment on her and be like, yes, girl, I love that cut crease. Okay guys, it's story time. Yeah, get your popcorn. This story is about my eyebrows. When I cut my eyebrows, I was trying to shape my eyebrows. Homegirl done did a miss. I cut like half, like literally cut half of my eyebrows because I was trying to shape it. Who does that? Girl look like this, like, you know, like you know when you don't got no eyebrows. So imagine me with no eyebrows. Like, we went to my cousin's the next day or whatever. Everybody was making fun of me, like, what was you thinking? No, don't do that. You know, I was just embarrassed, and I had to walk around like that until it grew back. You know, my eyebrows take forever to grow back. When I started like actually liking makeup and getting into it more, I would like wake up every day, run in my sister's room, and then like just grab her makeup. She used to hit it. This is how she kind of sounds too.
Before you get my makeup, make sure you ask.
I was just like, I don't know what question we are on, but question number whatever. What got me starting a YouTube channel? I got into YouTube when a lot of people always telling me you should make a YouTube. People were asking me if I had a YouTube. And at the time, I was like, oh no, I don't want to make a YouTube and all that. So here I am now. Go in with this Tarte. I'm just dabbing in my concealer so that I could put my eyeshadow on. Going back with this. Yes, we are doing this spooky black and white type of eyeshadow. I look like we're just gonna go in. I am putting this type of popcorn on my eyelids. What is your favorite place to shop for makeup? There is no favorite place for me. I love every makeup, each and every makeup, any kind of makeup. I just love it. I shop everywhere for makeup. I love makeup. I'm using this sponge brush to dab all this concealer on my face. On my eyeshadow, I did the spooky eyeshadow, the black one, and then I just go ahead and put some white eyeliner, crease that out. I try to make some popcorn. They look like a ghost, something like that. Do you wear fake lashes? Yes, I do. I love lashes. They gotta be dramatic too. Yo, this is the look. Don't I look like a bag of chips? We gotta glow. We gotta make them cheeks pop. Are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not, let's dig in. I'm back with this popcorn here. Y'all get some of this. But anyway, you see me. Yes, like I said, my name is Amina. Delicious. Let's get to know me. What do you apply first, concealer or foundation? Me? It depends on what kind of look I'm doing. Most of the times I just do a freestyle look. Sometimes I apply on my concealer first, and sometimes I do apply my foundation first. It just depends on what look I'm doing and how I feel that day. Next question. Do you have a beauty budget or do you just spend?
Budget? What's a budget?
Me? No, there's no budget. Whatever I like, I'm just gonna go get that because we need that. You feel me? That's what we gonna do. We gonna get it. Then you go overboard. You're like, I need to stop. Well, that is it for now. Get to know me video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. I appreciate that so much. Thank you for all the support y'all are giving me. Y'all are amazing.